confusion because I did not know what actually multilingualism intend to tell me. So on first workshop I got a little idea, and now I should say that I have got some of my doubts cleared. And then after my first workshop I went back to my area and I just started teaching some of the concepts in my tongue, and also there is a other mother tongue which doesn't have any script even. Banjaras, Lambadis, they don't have any script for their language, and I used Telugu script for them to understand better, and I started teaching one of the concepts like in sentence analysis. I started doing that. So they all those students who used to be very back in their class, they started getting connected to this. So I felt very happy because the essence of this program is somehow felt there, and I still feel that it needs some more some more inputs to be confident in applying it in the classroom. That's one area, and then thanks to all the participants who have given me confidence in understanding other languages also. Maybe this is the essence of multilingualism also. If there are people hailing from different languages, that gives us the scope to listen to other languages, other tongues, and they also, some of the words can be there in our minds, right? So it helps in the long run that we also can speak some different languages. So it's a great experience for me, and I hope others also have the same kind of experience. And I would love to apply this one in my classrooms in the days to come. Thank you for giving me.
Good.